Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast series Decode Your Inner Health. Today we'll be discussing how consumption of preserved foods and meat can lead to chronic health conditions. Nothing can be more interrupting in your day than the onset of a painful migraine. We've all been there before. One moment we are fine, and the very next moment we feel strong headache. This can leave us devastated, unable to work or do normal daytime activities. Some migraines can last hours, while others last many days. Each person can experience a wide array of other symptoms such as nausea. For most of us, medication can help us manage this long-enduring pain for some time. However, can we rely on these strong medications to manage our migraine on a long-term basis? I'm not sure. When we visit a doctor to find root cause of such headache, we are told that there can be numerous reasons for the onset of migraines. Many health professionals are exploring dietary trigger as possible reasons. As such, nitric oxide can be reason for development of migraine. If our diet is the reason for migraine development, how does nitric oxide form part of our diet? For years, for patients suffering from heart disease, nitrate supplement consumption have become common. Nitrate, when consumed, gets converted into nitric oxide, which is used to relieve blood pressure of people suffering from heart disease. Although nitric oxide offers benefits for heart patients, it has its own share of shortcomings. One of the most common side effects is onset of migraine or headache. It was found that people suffering from migraine had high circulatory nitric oxide levels. The surprising part was these people were not diagnosed with poor cardiac health. It was found that diet rich in preserved meats such as salami, deli meats, and all-American hot dog have high level of nitrate, since to preserve foods we need a lot of salt formula and sodium nitrate. Consumption of these foods increase the production of nitric oxide in our body, leading to painful headache. However, the impact of nitric oxide consumption goes beyond migraine. When bacteria in our gut metabolize these foods and release ammonia gas, which is pro-inflammatory, it can lead to leaky gut. Besides, it slows down food motility, thereby leading to digestive issues such as irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. So the question arises, how can we eradicate migraine and eliminate the risk of digestive issues? Our gut plays an important role in the health of our head by sending signals through our vagus nerve to the brain, facilitating the production of many of our neurotransmitters such as serotonin. For headache, changing the balance of our gut ecosystem and promoting a more balanced flora means that we have to do away with the medications and feed our gut with the diverse and personalized dietary recommendations. The starting point obviously is to reduce the consumption of processed meats. By understanding the composition of our gut microbe, we can learn about our nitrate and nitric oxide consumption. It will also throw light if our gut has folks, which breaks down these processed foods into ammonia gas, leading to inflammation and risk of digestive issues. If you are suffering from migraine or digestive issues and consume a lot of these preserved meats, you should consider learning about these trends in your gut. Our Up the Gut solution can give you actionable dietary recommendation unique for you based on your gut microbiome function analysis. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. In our last episode, we will be discussing how excess protein consumption can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Until then, signing off, be healthy and safe.